Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited because as you guys can tell in the video title, I'm going to be playing with a new Venus palettes that Limecrime came out with, and apparently I think these are Ulta exclusives. So I am so excited. I have the box right here. I did kind of like rip it off because I kind of needed the cardboard to paint my wall. As you can tell, I did paint my room. And I painted it white. Before it used to be burgundy, but this time I painted it white. So I was like, you know what, let me just do my makeup, my face and everything, and let's just start playing in with the Venus palettes. So I have both right over here. I have the Venus Chroma. Hey guys, I am editing this video and I just realized I kept saying Venus, but I meant to say Prelude, because later on in the video you're gonna realize that I'm like, wait, these are not Venus palettes. I don't know why I keep saying them. I think it's because they look like the Venus palettes that I got confused. But no, I'm talking about Prelude. Prelude. So every time you hear me say Venus, I'm trying to say Prelude. Yeah. Prelude, I think it's called Prelude Chroma palette. And then I have the Prelude Exposed, which is like a nude palette. I feel like everyone's gonna like this one because it is your neutral palette. It is so freaking pretty. And then I also have this one, like I said, and it's more of like a colorful, beautiful palette. I was looking at this palette and I'm like, what kind of makeup do I want to give myself today? And I mean, they're all so pretty, so it's so hard to pick, but I am really trying to use these blues because I feel like it just kind of goes with the theme, and like it came with this thing, so I was like, oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. So I really want to try this. And then I also have the 3 velveteen lipsticks here, the liquid lipsticks here. We have Neptune, Peacock, which is a discontinued one, but they brought it back. And then we have the Virgo one. Before I put it on my face, I do want to do some swatches. I am not a big fan of swatches, but I'm going to be doing them for you guys. I'm going to show you guys this blue one right here because it is so freaking pretty. I have that right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch it right here. Do you see how beautiful that blue is? And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch another one, which is this gold right here from the palette right there. And I have it right here on my finger, and we're gonna go ahead and swatch it next to that blue, and it is so freaking pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of the mattes so you guys can see. I'm gonna go in with Genesis because I do want to play with that one on my eyes, and it looks like this. I have nothing on my hand. It's really dry, so we're just gonna swatch it there. It is kind of like okay. For me, it matters a lot how it works on the eyes, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it there. It is okay, nothing too like, oh my gosh, you know, it's so crazy. Also, I do want to say that Seafoam, this one right here, it is like a duochrome kind of like shadow. I don't know if you guys can see that, how it looks. We're gonna go ahead and swatch that right next to here. You guys can't really see it, but it is there. I think this is good for like an inner corner highlight. Let me know your thoughts on the palette. Which one do you guys like more? Do you guys are into more of the chroma one or the exposed one? Let me know in the comments below which one would you guys get. Now we're gonna go on and move into the exposed palette. I do have this one. It is so pretty. I do wanna play with this nude one right here. It's so freaking dope. And then I don't know if I'm gonna go in with Immortal, but it's really, really pretty. We're gonna go ahead and swatch 1484. And we're gonna go ahead and swatch it there, and I have it right here. This one, it is stunning. Look at that. It is so beautiful. I kind of want to put this all over my lid. They also have another one here that's like a duochrome, and it is called Aphrodisia, I think, and it's this one right here. You guys can't tell with the lighting. Let me go ahead and put it down so you guys can see. It's like right there. You guys can't really see it. It doesn't really show up on camera as well in person. And it looks like this. Is more purple, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. You guys cannot see that at all, but it is there. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go in with this eye primer. We're gonna go ahead and put this Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're gonna add this to one eye only. I'm only gonna do one eye on camera, and we're just gonna kind of tap that all over. You don't need so much of this because it is really pigmented, as in like, as you put a little bit and it can be like a lot for one eye. Okay, next I am gonna go in with the Limecrime Exposed palette, and we're gonna go in with nude right here, and we're gonna put this all over the lid. I kind of really just not over the lid, but like over the crease area, and I just really love the color of this. It is so pretty, and it's like perfect. It's called nude, and it's just like a perfect color. So we're gonna apply this to the inner corner and to the outer corner, and I'm just gonna focus it on the outer corners. I'm not gonna bring it in. We're just gonna focus it there. I'm not gonna bring it into the middle because I kind of don't want to do that. I kind of want to give it more like of a spotlight look. So we're just gonna focus it out here. That is so nice. I like the way this is blending, and I kind of like this because I like how this looks for like the inner corner of the brow and the nose. Kind of gives it more of a contoured look, and I really like that. Even for this, like just putting it all over the lid and just putting mascara would look really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and just bring that a little bit down right here under the eye and kind of smoking it out. So we're not smoking it out, but blending it out. So I've decided that I'm going to go in with the shade Genesis on this blue one right here. And I'm going to be tapping that to the outer corners. I don't know how it's going to work with that color that I just placed, the nude. And I don't know how it's going to blend, but we're just going to go ahead and tap it a little bit here. And then kind of slowly blend that out. We're working with this very slowly because I honestly don't know. And this kind of reminds me of the shade of the Anastasia Beverly Hills what is that palette called? This Subculture palette. Kind of looks like that color there, and I know it wasn't the best color in the palette to work with, so we're just gonna slowly kind of smoke this out and just work with this because I am low-key kind of scared, to be honest. So far it is okay. It's not that great of a shade, but it is really pretty. I just feel like you have to be really patient with these kind of colors, especially these blues. Like, I feel like it's not like the best blue out there, but you have to work with it. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it out a little bit so it doesn't look too harsh here. I'm just getting that shade nude and then blending with that Genesis. We're just gonna go ahead and blend it out. That looks pretty, right? That looks really pretty. I'm gonna just deepen it just a little bit so it can look a little darker there. And we're also gonna kind of bring that to the inner corner. I'm not gonna do so much on the inner corner because I don't want it to get too dark, but we're gonna go ahead and just tap it to the inner corner here as well. It's kind of bringing that there. The brush that I'm using is a Morphe brush for my brush set, so it doesn't have a number. I am sorry. Next, I'm gonna just get the same shade of nude, and I'm just gonna blend the edges off a little bit so it doesn't look too harsh. Like that. We're kind of doing like a halo eye. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing here, but we're doing like a halo eye today because I feel like that kind of inspires me today. I haven't done one in a while, so I'm gonna do that. And then I kind of do want to get a little bit of a pencil brush, and we're gonna get that shade Genesis again, and we're gonna add this to the bottom of the eye here. And instead of swiping it, I'm slowly just gonna tap it first because I don't know how this shade works when you swipe first, so I feel like it works best when you tap and then blend it out. So far, I really like the way this eye look is coming out. I do want to use Saturn in the middle here and then kind of put seafoam on top so you can kind of have like this little highlight and glow moment on top of the lid. Kind of like a wet look for the eye. You know how like the Kim Kardashian, how she kind of did it with her eye look for the Met Gala? Yeah, that. So far, I actually really do like the palette. I do feel like you have to be a little bit patient when it comes to this Genesis shade because it is such a dark blue that it can either go either way. It can be really bad or really good. But so far, I'm having it good. We're kind of playing with this very nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and just buff it out here and blend it out with the shade Nude again, and just blend this out right over here. It's pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Saturn, which is this blue one right here, and we're gonna put this all over the lid just so we can kind of like create a mood here. And we're not gonna go all the way up, we're just gonna focus it on the lid just so we can kind of have like a moment there. Look how pretty that is. This is so freaking pretty. I know I keep saying pretty in all my videos and I notice it when I am editing, but I just have to say it, you know. Now with Genesis again, we're gonna kind of get that and then blend it a little bit with that Saturn shade, and we're just gonna bring this back so it doesn't feel like it's getting lost there. Then I'm gonna go in with another finger of mine, maybe my pinky, and I'm gonna go in with Seafoam, and it is this blue shift, and we're gonna kind of bring that up here to kind of bring those two shades together. It has a little bit of a green blue reflect, so just wanted to let you guys know. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and also blend that in with my hair. I'm also gonna bring that in and kind of blend this onto Saturn in the middle. Or we're gonna go ahead and blend this so it doesn't look too harsh, but I really love how this is coming out. It is so pretty, and I love the combo of Seafoam and Saturn together because it really does blend together very nicely. So we're gonna go in with Nude again from this palette right over here, and we're gonna blend this out so it doesn't look too harsh, kind of like that. Isn't that so pretty? That is, I love this so much. I'm very happy the way the look is coming out. So now I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of a highlight to the inner corner as well. We're gonna go ahead and clean this brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and get Seafoam again, and I'm gonna be adding this to the inner corner. Look how pretty that is looking. And we're gonna go ahead and add this and focus it to the brow bone as well. I'm gonna get the brush and I'm just gonna make sure I pack that Seafoam in the middle. Okay, so far I am done with this eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera and put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna go in with my lips now. So we have 3 new Velveteens. Well, this is like an old one that they just like discontinued and then brought it back for this collection. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys. This one is in the shade Virgo. I really like this one, but I feel like it's a little bit too pink for me. You guys can see that, but it's really pink. I don't really like the shade pink like that. Not on me. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch the next one. This one is called Neptune, which is weird because in the palette I think it's called Neptune. In the other palette, let me see. Oh no, it's Saturn. Got confused. So now we're gonna go ahead and swatch this one. I feel like I'm gonna go with this one more. I feel like this is more me. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch this right over here. Oh yeah, it is so gorgeous. I don't know which one would match with this eye look today. I don't know which one I would like. I feel like this one kind of goes with my hair a little bit too. So now we're gonna go in with Peacock. This blue, it looks amazing. When I first saw it, I'm like, oh my god. Oh wow, it is so blue. It is so blue. I don't know if I want to do like a nude lip today or like this blue. I don't know, should I just go all off and do the blue? I feel like I should. I feel like that is so nice. I don't know, I'm so conflicted right now because I do want to do the blue. I want to try the blue, but then I don't know if I'm gonna be able to rock it as much. Maybe I'm gonna go in with this one because I feel like if I put the blue, it's gonna be really hard to take off right now. So I put the Ghost Veil. This is the Limecrime Ghost Veil, and I put it on my lips. As you can tell, I do have them on, so it kind of gave it a nice base. If you guys have not checked that out, Ghost Veil out, you guys should. So we're gonna go ahead and check this Neptune one, and we're gonna apply it on our lips. Oh, this is a really nice shade. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I think it's really really dope. The palette, I actually really do like both of them. I do recommend this one for the everyday user, the one that like the nudes and everything, because it is so pretty. And you have like a duochrome, which is like a pink purple there. It is so pretty. It's like right here. That was this one. But it is stunning. I really like it. You have our dark ones, our light ones, our gold ones, the pink one. Like, it is so pretty. That is a pink. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it here so you guys can see. It is stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and just say that I really do appreciate these Limecrime Venus palettes. I think they're stunning. And wait, are these even Venus palettes, or they're called Prelude? I think these are the Prelude. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I think they're done with Venus and it's just now Prelude. So let me know. I'm very confused. And maybe I'm wrong this whole time. I don't know. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And let me know which palette you guys are leaning more to. I tried playing with both so you guys can see. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me if you guys join my little family. And if you guys are not following me on Twitter and Instagram, go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting there. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.